Hello, YouTube. This is James, Justin, John. How you doing? How you doing? What we got here is an unboxing video of some Spydercos. Actually, guys, this is Justin. I'm here with my wife, Molly. We're going to unbox an amazing package coming from Spyderco today, or Spyderco. And for those that don't know, I'm sure anybody watching my channel has probably seen one of Keith, Kevin, Ken's videos. I thought it'd be funny to do a little James, Justin, John video. So I may do that in the future. One of the spoof videos, whatever. It's all in good fun. Today, say hello, Molly.
Hello.
Today, we're going to use the old Cutlery Shoppe exclusive S90V Manix 2 Lightweight. This is in its stock form right here. However, I got the old modded one right here.
I made an unstock version. So there you go. You can see the difference between the two. Not a whole lot of a difference, but it is, in my opinion, it's much nicer looking. So you can see the difference in the hardware. So in the stock version, they're riveted together, which proved to be a pain in the ass completely. It was a bigger pain in the butt to actually get the hardware. It was kind of a nightmare, honestly, all the way around. But there you go. Those are the differences. I was hoping to make the backspacer black all the way through, and it sure as hell looks like that's a separate backspacer. However, it is not. That is molded onto one side of the scale. So no messing around there doing a black backspacer. So that's kind of a bummer. But I think the hardware definitely looks a lot nicer. So we're going to use the pretty one for this. And you're going to use that pretty one?
Yeah. Go ahead. I'll let you unbox it.
Nope.
Oh, it was close.
That was close.
Close only counts in horseshoes and hand grenades.
Yuck, yuck. Yuck, yuck. So funny. You got them dad jokes.
Hey, nice box.
Yay, thank you. How you doing?
Yeah. So just go ahead and pull that out of the box, and then we'll get the box out of the way. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 knives in this package, and there's the cards that came with them.
Yes,
so
one.
You throw the box out there.
Pardon the loudness of the paper. It's all wrapped up in there. 3. And 4.
There you go.
We got a faux knife.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. So
all right.
I'm gonna open this.
Hold on.
I want.
Just hold on a second. Just
no.
slow your roll.
No. I know which one it is.
We're gonna start with that one, and then, I think we'll go that way.
That's the way. All right.
Start with that one. You can open them.
So we got this one. It's
Just open
pretty.
it.
It's pretty astute.
Is it astute?
Yeah.
This is an astute one.
Yeah, it's astute. There's some astute junk for your pocket.
Let me see it real quick. All right. So this is the Spyderco Astute in 8CR13 MOV. Liner lock. This is a new budget model from Spyderco.
Spyderco.
And kind of a cool little, kind of feels good. This I'm pretty sure this is a brand new model. Brand new budget model.
Different.
Feels pretty good in hand,
Yeah,
I
I kind
think.
of like it.
Yeah, spoon clip. It's kind of strange that they put that style clip on it without having the lanyard hole there. That seems like a complete and total Oh, I guess if you made it tip down carry, it would encapsulate the pivot. So that's why they did that. But yeah, kind of strange. But what do you think of it? Put it in your hand.
No.
That was some nice grunting there.
You like that?
Oh, it feels real good in my hand.
Yeah, it's a little small for my hand, but I think, but it feels good. Like, I think the shape and stuff is pretty nice, and I think it's going to be a pretty nice little user. Let me see it real quick. Yeah, pretty thin behind the edge too. So we'll check that one out some more. Why don't you move along?
Tell me what to do. This one's operatic.
Operatic? Is it a baritone? Is it a tenor?
All of it.
All of it. Okay. All right.
It's that Spyderco opera
This
thing.
is the Spa Opera.
Spa
This
opera.
is a little collaboration between Spyderco and LionSteel.
It's made in Italy.
Yeah.
There you go.
So this is a brand new model. This is based on the LionSteel Opera. And this one happens to be in, you can see there, micarta scales. It is M390 blade steel. See
I
if,
think I got
there
that
you go.
finish on the micarta.
This is polished micarta. And you can see there it says LionSteel and made in Italy, Maniago, Italy. It's got a beautifully crowned backlock as well as a crown spine. And
It's all like, oh, the edges are like smooth.
rounded.
Can I touch it? Thank you.
Yeah, it's crowned. The action on it's really, really nice. Yeah, that feels really good. The backspring on this is much lighter than most backlocks from Spyderco. So yeah, it's nice for sure. Feels really good. Feels good in hand. I like the thumb ramp. Cool knife. I dig the wire clip on it. You got a little lanyard to hold back here. Yeah, cool knife all the way around. I'm kind of digging this one. What do you think? You put it in your hand, see what you think of the... It's real nice and smooth opening.
Yeah, it feels good. I like the way the other one felt better in my hand. But this is good too.
Okay.
For something more opera-y.
Something to take to the opera.
Yeah, like if I were going to see Phantom of the Opera or Les Mis or something, I would take that.
I feel like it was a missed opportunity. They could have put a monocle.
Oh, boy.
So you could have held that up to spy on your opera.
Boy, you thinking. Yeah, one of those little...
A little theater glass or whatever they're
Yeah.
called. Just one.
Just one, just a
theater
little
glass
guy.
has two, but I feel like
they
if
make 'em
you're
ones, I
if
think,
you're going to
too.
be real pretentious, a monocle seems fitting.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
so next one.
I want a monocle now.
You want a monocle.
Yeah. This one's,
Yeah, we already know
native
what it
to
is.
our lands.
Native. That is native to our lands. Why are you two-hand opening?
Because I...
Spyderco is all about one-hand opening.
No.
Yes.
'Cause
Just
I
thumb
can't.
roll it. You don't have to flick it. You can just thumb roll.
No.
Try the thumb roll.
No.
It's kind of like a drum roll, but a thumb roll.
Oh. It's a real pretty color.
So, okay.
Why?
Back up.
Don't tell me what to do, man.
This is the Native 5. This happens to be the St. Nick's exclusive lightweight version in red FRN and CPM 4V blade steel. Native 5 is a perfect... It's just an ergonomic masterpiece, even for a big hand. This thing is fantastic in hand. I love the forward choil or the half choil. Just an awesome, awesome knife. But...
Color
See,
combos.
From here, you
Killer.
just like that. That's
Don't
what
have
it's
to
meant
press
to do.
nothing or squeeze nothing.
No, just right here and roll your thumb out. So go ahead, try it. You need to start with your hand in a little bit. Look, hold it like this and have your thumb like this so you can get all the way up there. You're starting with your thumb here. Hold it like this and...
Okay, Dad. Like this.
No, there you go. You don't need to put your nail in the hole.
Well,
Your thumb pad
I got
works just fine.
nails, and that's just what happened.
Okay, all right.
Grow your nails out.
Yeah, no, that isn't happening.
Know
So,
the struggle.
awesome little native there. And then we've got one more, and arguably, I mean, it's a cool one for sure. All these are cool. You know, the Astute being the budget model, but the rest of these are all awesome. We got one mo.
One mo. It's patriotic, if you will, because it's military of the para persuasion. Ooh, boy.
And it's purple.
Ooh, boy.
And it's a coated blade. And...
Oh, girl. Oh, that one's easier to do.
Yeah, that's not a backlock.
Yeah, that's why I don't like those backlocks.
Okay.
Ooh, girl. Oh, I'm gonna come for your man with this.
Come for your man with this? What the hell?
I don't know.
So, this is a DLT trading exclusive. This is in CPM-Cruwear with a DLC coated blade. Beautiful knife. Purple G10 scales. Compression lock. She's black and purple. She's a bruise.
There needs to be more.
Needs to be a little blue on there. Be a full bruise. Oh.
More dark purple and like this. This is nice.
More dark purple in the knife world.
Yeah.
Needs to be broke in just a little bit, but it's pretty sweet. Blade centering is perfect. And yeah, she's nice. Cruwear, purple. Digging the color. Obviously, you are too.
No, I hate it.
Okay.
No, I joke. Ha.
You got jokes?
I got jokes.
So out of them, I here like a dumbass. I put them all back in the package.
Why'd
but
you do that, you dumb ass?
Why don't you present them in a nice cinematic fashion?
Okay.
Here, I'll let you have that one. There you go. So which one's your favorite? We need to move this down here. Let's do this. You can't see it on the blue. Do something like... Yeah, I don't know.
Like, yay.
Yeah, well,
Y'all
kind of.
see those okay?
But that doesn't show up on the red.
Press 1 in the comments if you can. Haha.
There you go. That's like the best scenario, I think, for how we're doing this. So out of the 4, which one is your favorite?
Well, to hold the way it feels in hand and everything, I like this one the best.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Even better than this one?
Yeah.
Wow.
Let me hold it again.
Go forward. Go put your finger in the forward choil.
I hate that.
Coming in hot. She said she hates that.
Yeah. This is how you hold a knife.
Okay.
This one feels the best in my little hand.
Okay. All right.
But that's second because I like the color combo.
So we went from how it feels in hand to, well, I like the color.
And then I think we all know that this girl, she my girl because she purple.
Yeah.
And that one's like, that's too fancy for me.
The
It's too astute for me.
this is
not
the
astute.
astute one.
Well, I mean,
This is too operatic.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, I love the opera and everything, but nobody ever takes me to the opera.
We don't live in Italy.
Hello.
Yeah, they don't have operas here. You didn't know that? We don't do those. You have to go to Italy for those.
How did I see operas in the United States in my lifetime?
If somebody lied to you, I don't know.
I even saw one in London. Do they have them there?
I don't know. But we're not in London either, so it really doesn't matter.
I think you lying.
So that is the Spydercos that we got for your face balls today, and here's a couple other Spydercos. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys want to see a video from old James, Justin, John, and we'll make that happen. I think it could be kind of fun and whatnot. We'll see, but yeah, let me know what you guys think of the Manix 2s, and if the black hardware was worth it, if it looks nicer, if you guys dig it, whatever. And yeah, what do you think of these 4? They're some beauties. All right, guys, we're going to get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good one.
Y'all gotta clean the house. Bye.
We'll talk to you later. Bye.